Hello, Chef here. A real quick garnish for you today. I'll be using my global paring knife. Grapes. Select a nice large grape. Cut off the bottom so it can stand up. Cut the grape at an angle like this, and then just cut a simple V on the top of the grape. So easy and so cool looking. Okay, give you another one. Select a large grape, cut off so it will stand up like this. Take a second grape, cut it into a thin slice like this. Alright, that's kind of cool right there, just a fanned out grape. There we go, so it's just sliced, looks pretty cool. And then repeat, cutting the opposite direction like this. Just some thin slices. And use some of those slices in your standing grape, like this. Okay? 1.5 grapes. That's a pretty cool garnish. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. You can get this knife for free at the sponsor. Yeah, a really sweet little blade. I like it. Close up with the 3 garnishes here. And this is a double chocolate nut muffin. Flaxseed, whole wheat, and essential grains in there. And now I'm going to garnish it with one of these grapes. Looks pretty cool. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. How does that look to you? And keep cooking.